Hey everybody, so we got a medium-sized haul from both Walmart and Home Depot. We're just going to put them in the same video. Some car cleaning products and a couple other things, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we went to Walmart and Home Depot. I got like 4 or 5 of these in the house somewhere or out in the barn somewhere. I can't find them, so I picked another one up for $5. It's just a caulking gun. It's a dripless caulk gun from Hypertough, $5. And then also grabbed a bunch of different chemical guys, car wash products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what it looks like. I think one of these is leaking. That's kind of aggravating. Well, that one's sealed. Okay, so this one is a citrus wash and gloss, ultra premium citrus based hyper wash. All of these will work in a foam cannon other than I think 1 or 2 of them. This one does not work in a foam cannon. This guy right here, Super Suds. Okay, this one's sealed still. This one actually says foam cannon on the back. This one actually might not say foam cannon. I think these 2 are the ones that don't. This one is Tough Mudder Truck Wash Off-Road ATV Heavy Duty Soap. This one on the back, it says foam cannon or foam gun on the back. A lot of these are okay, so this one's not sealed. See which ones of these are sealed. This one's sealed. This one's not. This one isn't sealed either. Seriously. Well, looks like I might have to take a couple of these back. I'll just show you what I grabbed. Snow Foam Auto Wash. It says Honeydew. Thick form. And this one's not sealed. It smells like melons. This one is Glassworks Auto Wash. Synthetic formula safe for wax and sealant. So you can physically wash the vehicle even though you have wax and sealant on the vehicle. This guy right here is the truck wash. Removes heavy mud, dirt, and grime. Prevents future mud from sticking, which is kind of interesting. This seal is broken on this one as well. Which is probably what was leaking in the bag. This one is the Hydro Suds. This one was $16. Instant hydrophobic protection, brilliant ceramic high gloss shine. Yeah, this is definitely the one that's leaking. So what I got grabbed, this one's open too. The citrus, damn it, all of these are open. God, that's aggravating. This one's not. Here, I'll just line them up. So these are all the ones I grabbed. They're all chemical, guys. Looks like I'm gonna have to take them back, which is aggravating. The Home Depot item is some neem oil for my wife's garden to get rid of bugs. It looks like there's a bunch of bugs killing her jalapeno plants. And just a caulking gun. Looks like I gotta drive back, which sucks, but this says 9 ounce or 9 inch. It says 9 inch caulking gun. So that's for this guy right here, which is just DAP ultra clear. Stays crystal clear, non-yellowing, clearer than silicone. Appreciate you guys watching though. Just a quick video. I don't know if I'm going to compare these. They're all basically car shampoo, you know, soap. But appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please go like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace! Oh, and if you guys, any of you guys know or use any of these, let me know which one you guys like the best down in the comments. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace!